Morning everybody, and welcome along to another wildlife and nature vlog. It's number 15 today. Thank you everybody that's continuing to support the channel by watching this particular vlog series. I really do appreciate it. And thank you to everybody that's bought me a coffee. That's really amazing. I really do appreciate that as well, and all those kind donations will go towards supporting the channel, keeping the channel going. I've set myself a target of getting a year's subscription to the National Trust, which will allow me to park anywhere on a National Trust car park, which will open up a lot more places to explore, where I'll be able to produce more videos, getting more content that I can bring to you. So that's where all those donations will be going. So yeah, I really appreciate that. So if you do want to buy me a coffee, then there's a link down in the description. By all means, click on that and have a look. It's like a little blog page, tells you a bit more about what I'm doing. There's like a photo gallery on there, there's all sorts of bits and pieces. So yeah, take a look. Right, I'll be honest, I wasn't going to come out this morning because last night it absolutely hammered it down. It was really chucking it down. I actually got up and recorded it out of my bedroom window. It was that bad, really loud, really heavy rain, and quite windy as well. But I actually set my alarm for 5:45, but I woke up, looked out the window, and it didn't look great. But then I just couldn't get back to sleep, and I thought, I just want to get out in the fresh air, because I've not been out for a while. I've been at work all week. I've done my usual 3 shift days, but then I did 2 days overtime as well. So I've been at work all week pretty much. So this is the first time I've had a chance to get out. So I thought, you know what, let's just get out. So here we are. So yeah, we're in the meadows again. Let's have a wander around and have a bit more of a chat. Just want to have a little talk about these meadows. This here, at some point, would have been a track that goes all the way around and goes back out onto the road. This is obviously where I placed the camera to watch the foxes who are in there somewhere. And at some point, a tractor would have been able to come into here to enter these meadows and then cut all the grass, and in the opposite field as well. But that entry point has now been blocked off and hasn't been used for a number of years, probably way before I even came and lived around here. So with that said, these meadows now just don't get managed at all, or at least I don't think they do, because there's no other way in for anything to come and cut this grass. So all these meadows here and all this is only going to get more and more wild, which we'll hopefully see evolve over the years if we continue doing these videos, that is, which I'm pretty sure I will be doing. So that would be interesting to watch, how these fields do actually change. And I'm already starting to see a change, maybe not so much in this field, but over in the other side of that hedge. If you remember, I showed you in the last video how the sort of hedge is starting to take back the fields by overgrowing. And little shrubs are just getting bigger and bigger, and maybe my apple trees will be part of that as well. But all this here, all this is getting more overgrown, and eventually I'm assuming it's all going to drift into the field. Ooh, what was that? A rabbit. Just seen a rabbit running along there. So yeah, that's going to be good to keep an eye on. Considering how much rain we had last night, it's actually not too bad underfoot. It is wet, don't get me wrong, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be wellies or waders kind of conditions, but it's not. You will recall in the previous video I said I missed the kestrels. Well, by sheer coincidence, the day after I was wandering around the meadows and I heard a familiar noise and I watched the kestrel land in that tree, making a real squawk. It wasn't its usual noise that I remember when they were all in the nest box. It was a very different kind of squawk. And I'm wondering if that's one of the youngsters that's just come back and just dropped in at its old home, just have a quick look and maybe see if some of its brothers or sisters are there, just for old time's sake. But was that squawk like a "this is now my territory"? I just don't know. But yeah, it was really good to see the kestrel. It just landed in the tree and then it just flew off and off into the distance, and I never saw it again. But might be worth keeping an eye on that. You never know. We might see more of the kestrel again, or one of them. So maybe they've not completely gone. So that's really good. I really do need to get a longer cane for that before it's too late. So during the rare occasions this week where I have been able to get out in the evening, I've been using the PlantNet app to do some plant identification, because there's been a couple that I've been wandering past and I've seen and I thought, what is that? So yeah, I've just been using that app again. It's really good. Just heard the woodpecker again, back in that bit of woodland just near the stream, and I'm just approaching the tree where I saw the woodpecker last time, so I'll just have a quick check on that, see if there's any evidence down the bottom of the tree. Couldn't see the woodpecker, stood by the tree for about 5 minutes, but nah, could hear it, could definitely hear it, so it's certainly in and around, so I want to keep our eye on. Quite excited today. A couple of reasons. First reason is I got one of those little red postcards in my mailbox yesterday, because I've got a delivery which I need to collect from the post office, and I think it's a new piece of kit. Well, I say new, from eBay. I don't buy much new stuff. Yeah, it's something off eBay, which hopefully will coincide with the second part of the reason I'm excited, and that's because tomorrow, today's Saturday, I'm hoping to go for a hike. I did say I was going to head up to the lakes, which I am still going to be doing, but I'm not quite broke my hiking boots in yet, so I just want to give them a bit of a sort of shorter walk, shall we say, but up a hill, just to break them in a bit more, really, ready for the Lake District. So the next video I'll be doing will be in that location, soon to be revealed, and I'm really looking forward to getting up there. The weather doesn't look great, which isn't ideal, because I want to take my camera with me. I've got a tripod, new tripod, again from eBay, that I want to try out. So yeah, I'd like to be able to take that up there and take my time and just take a few photos, because I've been going out with the camera round here, and once I've been rushed, but you know, you get people wandering past with the dogs all the time, and the dogs running up to you, and I just don't feel relaxed. I just want to be able to just stand there or sit there, go through the settings on my camera, and just have a chill with the camera, basically, and take a few photos, see what happens. So that's tomorrow's plan. So today I'll be planning all that, getting everything packed. I haven't decided whether I'm going to go really early or go slightly later. I just haven't decided yet, but all will be revealed in that video, so look out for that one. Right, let's talk about the Instagram photos. I've had a few through, not loads, but enough to choose from. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that run till what we are now. We're on video vlog number 15 now. So I think in vlog episode number 16 I will be bringing a close to the photo entries, and then probably 17 or 18 is when I will announce my favourite photo and show the other two as well, because I'll be choosing 3. So you've still got a chance to get photos in if you haven't done already, using the hashtag #ShowMeYourPhotoJB. There's some pheasants just tucked down in the grass there. I can definitely see one. I'm not sure whether the other ones are youngsters or tufts of grass. No, they're youngsters. I wonder if it's the same family. It's hiding in the grass. Keeping low. Mother's doing its job, keeping them safe. That one there seems to have a bit of a red head, but it just doesn't look like an adult. That looks like a young male. It's 3, I think. Yeah, I think one of them is definitely a young male. Well, I'm pleased to say that I've now surpassed 11,600 subscribers, and that is thanks to you guys, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. But if you haven't yet subscribed, then please click on that button, because I'm really trying to make a push now to 12,000 by the end of the year. And at the time when I set my goal, it seemed like quite a way off, but it's getting closer and closer. So yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, then please do, and click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Just on my way to go and collect my parcel. Ooh, exciting. Not quite what I was expecting, as you'll see when I finally reveal what the item was supposed to be. However, this is still quite exciting. So let's get this open and have a look. And there we are. One of my first photos printed, and I've now mounted it in a frame. Pride of place in my lounge. One of many, I hope. Right, well, that brings us to the end of yet another episode, and they seem to go by so quickly. Thank you, as always, for joining me on this one, and I do hope you'll join me again on the next video, which will be up in the fells, location to be revealed. So yeah, please join me for that one. I'm heading off there tomorrow, and the video will probably follow a few days after that. So look out for that one. So if you did enjoy today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, as always, and click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Okay? Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.